the Manchester friends and the Jamaica, you know, back home. House them a build up and thing. Mother shop. I'm a tourist local computer center, you know. See the G across the street, eh? I build up the mansion and now where this, you know. Then it planted the gardens and stuff. Nice up the place. You know, so I'm the first one coming home to start help build up the place. But look at the garden nice and thing. Yeah man, I have some barn run around and bust up my head. But this is Norway, this is the best. I go up on the hill today. I have to get up on top of the hill. So we can you know what I'm saying? So we can deal with the thing. I could go attack the man here. You know how I do it turn here. I go pick up my clothes from my uncle off the line. Baba got in a bush right now. Just hold a beard. You see me? Step on the machine thing. I work, you know. I love one all over the world, but I have to set up a donate page card and things like that. So, on there, see me? How are you having at it? Where you go do? You catch fire? Where you cook?
No, it's have to cook me food and...
Come make go cook, man. To the mountain there. Yes, boss. So how things?
Thank God, you know.
You just go through.
Yeah, man.
You have to easy, you know. You can't stress it. How old is now?
61.
61? Born and grow, sir?
Yeah, man. Same place as well.
Dean father?
No, man. Not Dean. Uncle.
Uncle, you're the brother?
Yeah, the brother.
The other one live up there, sir?
Yes,
where you live?
Right down through short.
Come and cook out there, man. You know, you're the uncle. So you married?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, how much kids you have?
4.
4? Where them there?
Two the actually I work on.
Eh?
2 up a quality.
So how far you go for them wood there?
We over some, man.
We over, sir? Every day you do this?
Not every day, but...
Every 3-4 days?
Yeah, sometimes 2 times we did.
2 times for forget wood for cook? So you don't have no gas stove?
Me have gas, but...
Gas done?
Gas done, I just want to buy, you know.
How much for buy the gas?
3 grand.
3,000? That's wow. So we have you plant yam?
Not much enough for me, you know, heart, you know, me take sick.
What happened to you?
Prostate.
Prostate cancer? So what the doctor them give for that?
When me go doctor and they start to treat it. And then send me to the general hospital and Mandeville and when me go there. Well then they tell me say no girls, you know bad. But then me I'm gonna get treatment for it. The month me go for medication for it.
You taking any herbs? Feed?
Me boil like all. Me boil some bush and me boil and a meringue and something.
You plant it or where you get the bush?
The bush me get last time me get here Craig and my wife work at town. Town up St. Andrew and get you up there carry go and give me.
Okay. A good bush that, you know.
Man, meringue, man.
So your family abroad now help you out like with the sickness or nothing?
Well, one time one of my uncle here and send money come give me and me. Sometimes me have some cousin over there and my sister send something come give me sometime.
Yeah? I'm gonna check on everybody and make sure they're alright, you know.
Yeah, man.
How long I say I go?
Yeah.
Go on through, man. Me follow you. Yes! The real steep road them this. So you know you're from Dean and Dean on them?
No, sir. But not here for them got to farm.
Oh, I hope people just leave people so I know. And are your parents living?
No, sir, my grandfather died.
Okay. So how you like living in here? How you like your life?
Don't be another. Years me live here now. One time I go America, I go from America, I go down, come back to Never Charlie. And I get a card again, I go Canada and then go 5 months and come back out in the car. Not before. Struggle to raise these kids, you know, to send them to school and then get the bus. That helped me there, same as me. Then finish school, so when they want to go to university, but me have the money to send her.
What's she doing?
You know, my work, you know.
What kind of work she do?
She not work.
She not work. Where she there?
She there holiday.
Okay.
And sister.
Okay. So how many kids you say you had?
4.
Four.
4 girls.
4 girls.
Yeah, man.
And them old.
Yeah, man. The last one 19.
Wow. You still with your wife?
She live at work, you know, she live in work at home.
Yeah.
So she come down maybe sometime. She down here last month, but she said now come down here till December.
Okay. Come look for you. So she help out. This is your house?
Yeah, man. This is
I forgot you, man. Welcome the world to your house, you know. I'm sure the world how you live in.
Yeah.
And nothing. And if anybody want to help you out, them get your number and call you and help you.
Yeah.
No dog?
No, somebody knows. But I get dog.
Are you build the house? Are you build the house?
This one, my grandfather, the first room, I'm put on another room. And me and my wife put on that party.
Yeah. Blessings. Nice home. Very nice.
So I'm finishing up here now, but the money kind of up here now, you know?
Yeah, you know, everybody, same thing. Everybody house. Well, me just check on the farm of them. Make sure the world knows so no there. So your tank not finish?
No, I did pick that, I tell you, pick that.
Yeah, dig it.
I build it, you know, fix it up, you know. Pack, you know, fix it up.
The toilet pit. Okay. Wow, so when them buck up on stone, a serious thing.
This one I can't move, that's on the bottom.
Hey. When you buck up on stone, that's it. So them dig down, pocket round, then do them not seal it?
Yes, them go
Seal.
seal it back. You seal outside still, flash out outside.
So them a go, what the bottom? Them a go seal the bottom?
No, man, no, the bottom is
for soak out.
Soak out.
What kind of, them stone here, they go deep down at the ground?
Yeah, man, hard to broke.
Wow. So when you buck up on them stone here, you just stop, that's it? Oh. So then I'm gonna just cover the top, deck the top.
I'll go cover the top.
Then how do you deck the top from, you put stick coming up, right?
No, we're not going to use one stick. We are going
Or
to
you
use
should board across?
so put some wood across and put the board and steel up and pan it. And then you
Put the cement. You put a flat board and then you left the board underneath it.
Yeah, man, that the board now come out back.
Yeah, you just put on top and... Wow, and first me ever see inside of a pit.
That's it,
Yeah, but the stone them vicious, man. You can easily, if you build house on this, you have to drill it.
Drill it,
You drill it? The man have drill on you, so?
Yeah, man, yeah. But man have all things you know where you can cut the rock stone also.
Run you, so?
We then call it jackhammer.
Jackhammer. So if you build house on top of this, you just drill like 10, like 7 deep hole and put the steel in it. Place it and just put the cement around it.
That's a solid, you know.
The whole man should run on something.
Yeah, man.
Solid. Nice to build house, man.
Yeah, man.
Because you don't have to go too far.
You don't have to go too far.
Nothing now move. Yes, you have some ripe coffee. Yeah, man. Some nice ripe coffee.
Get them off today.
You have a pear tree?
Yeah, man, you have one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
When does the pear bear?
Beer from start now to we start beer from in July comes up. Then now we get ready now, you know, we pick beer off of this and many drop off.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, we pick beer off of it.
So you have a pear. Look on it, man. Whoa. Whoa, you know how much them sell pear and nickel for? At $200 pear now.
And then I want to give man $200 dozen at $250.
A dozen it?
Yeah. And I go to just out of Christian and I see pear I sell for $100 per one.
Yeah.
Out of Christian I hear so.
And them no want go no more than that.
$250 I say Maggie.
For the dozen?
For the dozen.
So them a robber now?
Yeah man.
So none have no van for go sell it to themselves?
No, no.
So if you give it to Pops or somebody with a van, you know better for you sell it for $50 per year? The tax in the van already. So all the farmers them want around here is a main farmer where have a vehicle. I mean, we can up the price of the thing. I don't know. Put on the thing there so. So then we don't get such a bite. Right? Because you cannot send pear for $200 for 12. And then I sell it for $200 for one.
When you buy the person take all 10 dozen, you come and and pick 20 dozen. I put all dozen over for you know say you take 1 dozen extra. Every dozen you take a dozen, I take 1 pound.
I don't understand why them are doing so. Them are doing no bad, man. Because at $200 per pear, you have passion fruit up there, so. It run all the way up there, so.
Passion?
Yeah.
And you know, say, you never realize, you know, me have one, this one, you wouldn't be around me kill it. And me know, say that one day when I grow, but me never know, say, Ben gets so far.
Yeah, man, see it there? It run up there, so. The passion fruit. So, one thing, in December, what beer up one thing?
December, sometimes if you plant sweet yam, you have sweet yam come on then way there, and sometimes you have yam coming them the time there, but you don't have any of them the time, I just took sick and I'm not planning on putting them again.
I see what you say. Hard fire. So now this here is what? What is this?
Dandelion.
This is dandelion. And what?
Speciality good for the set prostate, they're good for kidney problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You pick out the seed and dry and party and beat it like coffee and dry with nickel.
With nickel. Yeah, we have pumpkin. So you don't plant no callaloo?
No, I'm not planting callaloo.
You don't like callaloo?
You like it about sometime to the season, you know, no peak season yet.
Okay.
Some people around it, but when you come in, when you end up here, nothing take them out.
But you have some orange. I saw orange. I have a lot up here. So this whole land is yours, going back?
Right to here. These big trees, that tree there. To them, the tree there. You know, go over. The pass the tree.
I know you're a banana there.
Yeah, man, I'm a banana.
So what can you plant? Just you plant local, like near here.
Like banana.
How far is your bush?
My bush?
Yeah. A mile?
More than a mile.
Eh? And is your family left you the land for the bush?
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yes, my grandfather gave me years up.
The ripe coffee them nice, you know. So whose grave is this?
Mother, wife, mother.
Okay. Blessings to her. This is the life. Look on the pier, them man. $200 per pier them myself. We can't get them $100 in the grill now. 100 at least per.
One.
Yeah. You see what I say? So it's better we cut out this local market. You know? And just drive a van, go straight on the grill, load it up here. Are the custard apple that? The one with the purple tree? Or star apple?
Star apple, that's star apple.
Yeah, it's the meanest tree, right?
Yeah, man.
Star for the meanest tree. You not drop. Yeah. We not have to go cut out. So you wait till the coffee dry.
No man, I'll pick it, I'll get it picked now and beat and get off the red
Yeah, and dry it.
and wash it and dry it.
See the man. Coffee nice, you know. When it ripe. You just eat it. Thanks for the tour, man. I'm going to talk to the farmer. Them. This is how cruelty. I get some friend. And when they grill, man, that's $200 per pear. I pay all $5 for your mango, $500 for your mango.
The big.
Yeah, all $300 for one. I said that wrong.
You okay, you going now?
I just come.
Okay.
You know, I just come through to check Baba. You know, the people all over the world love him. Them see him on YouTube. So this way you see so the whole world I go see you. See, what your number? So I do my interview the farmer them. And when people want to link up with them, maybe them come down and want to get a thing, them come check you, you know? You have a phone?
Yeah, man.
So that is Jeff. Man with the apple tree, them. Pear tree. So, you know, Jamaica, you know, the bush and now this, you know, look on pear. But they might rob the people, them, the farmer, them have to really start take the market to the west. Whoa, easy, slippery enough. Once around the drop, no more film phone now. And don't forget, I go set up a donation page, got gas, and every time I come through, I give them people money. And all the negative energy, I don't need it, you know, I really don't need it. I try to do good for Jamaica. I don't need, you see when people put negative thing on my page, I just make them invisible for life. So don't waste any time to not negative, because trust me, years me I do this, I try to preserve and link up people and come I love nature and things. I don't want any negativity. Blackbird, what you say? What you say? People them on YouTube not for go answer? Huh? Okay, big up General. Wait, who? Oh, big up all the ladies them. What you say? The blackbird are custom out to know. See the mission house here. May the almighty creation give me the strength and energy to call my family to finish up my grandmother mission house. Just so you know. So there. Sometimes when you're in Babylon, in New York City, you know. So I have to check on the people then. It's Vincent live over there, so the grandmother mission house. So this may have to go build, you know. So much work to do. I went to Africa. I'll give them 2,000 books now. I have to go build up the mission house and build up the place. It takes time. The flowers are beautiful, eh? Beautiful flowers. Look here. Big up Mark Chambers and him family, Angela Burke, Vanessa, Violetta, all my people in Africa. Peace and tranquility, you and yours. The oxygen around here so good, you know, the breath nice and that's Vincent. So that when I go back up the shop, I'll check out the flowers there. No, so no, office still, I know I'll take it easy. Nice flowers. The man have them big truck, you know. Some white flowers there. Everybody friendly. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Respect. Everybody friendly, nice and easy. Yeah. But I built up them house. Ah, boy, home sweet home. Ah, what a journey, sir. What a journey. See me? Up there, somewhere be in my house. What a journey. Going to Africa was a big deal in my life. Put things in a perspective. You right now are working at your office building, continue upon your dream, build your things, live your life. But get a piece of land in the country. See Pops there. Pops change the car tire. Cause I go run go Patrick house. Oh yes, I know. Something else now. Wrong with the car. Hey. Yo, if you have fixed car, you know, you don't plant yam, you know. Perhaps I struggle with him car. Give him some money if you fix the crown shaft. What you say, big man?
Me just like get little problem.
Oh boy. What happened now?
My alternator not charge the battery.
The alternator not charge the battery?
When I start everything, you know, but the alternator not charge the battery.
So it's a start?
Yeah, man. But the alternator not charge the
So
battery.
the battery are dead out?
Kill the battery. Start, man.
Wait, alternator there.
Yep.
Alright,